Ibig sabihin ng perang kinikita, pwedeng makapagpahirap ng buhay mo?
Marami tayong gustong gawin Nadidi-focus tayo sa priority.
Live life to the fullest. Yun ang sabi ng marami because life is all about experiences.
Tama.
So kailan ko pa may experience yung mga gusto kong experiencein sa buhay ko kung panay na lang pagtitipid ang priority ko sa buhay ko?
It's not about the income. The problem is how you allocate and spend your income. Ito ang reality. Yung income limited pero yung expenses unlimited.
Meet Chinky Tan, a renowned wealth coach, motivational speaker, and best-selling author dedicated to empowering Filipinos toward financial freedom.
Chinky has inspired countless individuals to take control of their finances, emphasizing practical steps to achieve financial success.
His mission is clear, to help Filipinos become wealthy and debt-free.
Anong masasabi mo, Coach, doon sa tao na inasam nila talaga yung magandang buhay? Ginawa na nilang lahat, pero hanggang ngayon, hindi sila nakapag-ipon, hindi naging effective yung pamamaraan nila. Sa palagay mo, saan sila nagkakamali?
Financial literacy, yung kaalaman. Kasi mahirap gawin ng isang bagay kapag di mo alam. Pangalawa, financial discipline. And pangatlo, financial responsibility.